Hi, Finn here, local Gov Drupal tech lead. Quick video to look at how we're using phpstan in our pipelines on Drupal.org and also in our local dev environment to be able to fix static analysis problems in our PHP code. phpstan is a static analysis tool. You can find out lots more at phpstan.org. It's used on Drupal.org for core and contrib projects to maintain the quality of our code base and head off deprecations that may be coming in future versions of Drupal. I noticed this pipeline on local gov paragraphs projects. If I go to the project, click on pipelines, we can see that the phpstan job has a warning on it, and sure enough, it's got an error there which says that we need to use dependency injection rather than using calls to /Drupal. So I went ahead, I created an issue, detailed that on the issue, created an issue fork, used the commands that are on the issue fork link to create the branch locally, check out the branch, and get ready to do some work. So on my local checkout, I've got the 2.x branch checked out at the moment, but I've also got the working branch, which I've made some changes on. So if we just have a look at the original issue, we do ddev ssh to go into the container, and we can run phpstan space analyze space and then the path to the code we want to analyze, in this case local gov paragraphs, web modules contrib local gov paragraphs, and phpstan sure enough gives us the same error there, which is good. That's what we're looking for. Now I've gone ahead and made some changes, which I think I've got on a commit here. Yeah, so I made these changes to use dependency injection and remove the call to /Drupal, replace it with the dependency injection of the entity type manager service. There, I can exit out of here and check out that branch. Git checkout 3.5 something. And that's made those changes. If we just ddev ssh back into the module, run phpstan analyze, this time we have no errors. Jolly good. So phpstan seems happy enough. I think I can now go back here to the merge requests and create the merge request that implements that fix, essentially. That merge request will then sit there and trigger the pipelines, and hopefully in due course we can see whether that's fixed the phpstan job in our pipeline. But super useful to be able to run phpstan locally, address the code, run phpstan again, and then once it's fixed, pushed it back up to Drupal.org, rather than pushing it to Drupal.org and having to wait for the jobs to run each time to see if your changes have had the desired effect. Hope that's useful. Give me a shout if you've got any questions at any time. Many thanks.